India is a global hub for electronics manufacturing, right? So we have seen PLI schemes, two generations of that coming in over the last 5 years. This has been specifically focused on mobile phones and accessories. This has led to a lot of Indian brands manufacturing within the country and led to spurt of Indian brands, both being one of the examples in wearables. In mobile phones, we've seen the likes of Samsung, Xiaomi, and contract manufacturers for Apple manufacturing within the country. This has created a good presence for electronics manufacturing in India with a focus on consumer electronics. We're seeing the next generation of PLI schemes coming in for laptops, servers, and tablets. As of very recently, 35 plus companies have applied for this. Likes of HP, Dell, Acer, and Foxconn, which is one of the contract manufacturers for Apple. These will go towards creating an ecosystem for manufacturing within the country and not just assembly. We are in the nascent stages. We can expect this to grow. These have already created impact of 5,000 plus crore in terms of exports, 75,000 plus in terms of jobs, right? We can expect this to grow. Well, this is a good story on the consumer electronics side. Having said that, if we go into industrial, we don't really see solid policies in this space. When I say industrial, we can look at areas of healthcare, which is medical manufacturing, in terms of industrial manufacturing, right, and automotive. In addition, we also have aerospace and defense manufacturing, which happen within the country. There are small pockets, places like Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Gujarat, which have presence for industrial manufacturing. Having said that, we need not just to create an ecosystem, it's not just manufacturing, we'll need design, we'll need capabilities for rapid prototyping, manufacturing small volumes for product market fit like the ones you would see in China, and then going to scale. It's not just scale, it's the entire ecosystem which needs to develop. Really hope that the policies for consumers, consumer electronics, which has been set up, will result in creation of these ecosystems. And not just these, right? We also need good roads, specifically wherever there are manufacturing clusters, ports for shipment, especially with focus on exports, uninterrupted power, and the people aspect of it as well, which is in terms of skilled development. With all of these coming into picture, India being a manufacturing hub at a global in the next decade, for the taking, we'll see likes of LionCircuits role in this growth for the